Hello students, today's topic is mode. In the previous classes we learned about arithmetic mean and median. What is arithmetic mean? It is nothing but average. So average is denoted by x bar. X bar is equal to sum of all quantities by total number of quantities, and that one is equal to x bar is equal to sigma fx by n. Next one, median. What is median? The middlemost value of the given observations. That means first we have to write the given observations either in ascending order or in descending order. After that we have to count the number of observations. If n is even, then n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. These two are the medians. And after that, after finding n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1, we have to take the average of these two. Okay, average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. That is the median. If n is odd, then the formula is n plus 1 by 2. And this is n when n is even. N is even and this is n is odd. Okay, n plus 1 by 2 is the median of the given observations. Next topic is mode. What is mode? The observation which occurs more frequently is called the mode of the data. In the given observations, the observation which occurs more frequently. So how many times the given observation is repeated more frequently is called the mode of the data. See, suppose for example, in the given question 9 comma 8 comma 7 comma 7 comma 6 comma 3 comma 7 comma 2 comma 1 comma 7 comma 9. These are the observations. In these observation, which observation occurs more frequently? See here, how many times? 9, only 2 times. But what about the 7 here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. The observation occurs more frequently. So what is the mode here? Mode of the data is equal to, mode is z is equal to 7. Okay, next one, next example, 17, 6, 19, 14, 8, 6, 12, 15, 6, 16. In these observations, 6 occurs more frequently. 6 occurs more frequently. Therefore, mode is equal to 6. Okay, next third one, 27, 14, 42, 27, 25, 31, 28, 31, 43. What is the mode here? 27. 27 occurs how many times? 2 times. Okay, 27 occurs 2 times. Therefore, mode of the data is, mode is equal to 27. Next one, 32, 20, 32, 16, 27, 32. So it is clearly mode is equal to mode z is equal to 32. And next one, 12, 11, 15, 12, 11, 15, 12, 9, 12. So which observation occurs more frequently here? 12. Okay, so here mode of the data is z is equal to how much? 12. If there is only one mode, that is called unimodal mode. If there is only one mode, it is called unimodal mode. If there are two modes, then the mode is said to be bimodal mode. Okay, unimodal mode, bimodal mode. If there is only one mode, then it is unimodal mode. If there are two modes, then it is called bimodal mode. Okay. See here, some observations are given here. 12, 11, 15, 12, 11, 15, 12, 9, 12. Okay, first you write these observations in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. First 9, next 11. How many times? 1, 2. 11 is 2 times. Next 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12. Next one. 1, 2. See the now count the number of observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now for these observations you find the mean, median and mode. Okay. So mean x bar is equal to mean x bar is equal to sum of all quantities by number of quantities or sigma x by n. Okay. So that is 9 plus 11 plus 11 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 15 by the number of observations are 9. Okay. Now this is equal to how much? 15 plus 15, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 fours are 48. 30 plus 48, 78. 78 plus 20, 98. 98 plus 11, 109 by 9. So that is equal to how much? 12.1 approximately. Approximately. Okay. Next one, median. How to find the median of the data? By writing the given observations either in ascending order or in descending order. So here we already written the observations in ascending order. Now median is equal to how to find the median? We count the number of observations and we have to see whether n is even or odd, and after that you have to use the formula. Instead of that, by simple application, that is cancelling the left and right values, you will get the median easily. So 12 is the median. Median is equal to 12. Next, mode. What is mode? Mode is equal to the observation which occurs more frequently. The observation which occurs more frequently is called the mode of the data. So mode is equal to, it is nothing but z. Z is equal to how much? 12 is 4 times. Therefore 12 is the mode of the data. Now the relation between mean, median and mode. Relation between mean, median and mode is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, that is approximate value. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. See here, we already found mean, median and mode. You substitute these three values in this, whether it is right or wrong, to find whether it is right or wrong. See, mode already how much? 12. So 12 is equal to 3 median, 3 into what is median? 12 again, minus 2 mean, 2 into what is mean? 12.1. 12.1. So that is equal to 3 12s are 36 minus 2 1s are 2.2 12s are 24. Okay. So 36 minus 24.2 0. So 10 minus 2 8. Next to 5 minus 1 5 minus 4 1. 3 minus 2 1. 11.8. So 11.8. So 11.8 is approximately equal to 12. Okay, 11.8 is approximately equal to 12. So 12, mode is equal to 12. So mode can be written as 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the most important relation between mean, median and mode. Okay children, understood? Thank you.